Hello, welcome to Chemistry Past Questions and Answer Theory 2018, Section B, Number 2A, Roman Figure 1, States Collision Theory of Reaction, Roman Figure 2. Using collision theory of reaction, explain briefly how temperature can affect the rate of chemical reaction. Now to the answers. Number 2A, Roman Figure 1. Collision theory assumes that there must be a collision between reactant particles, that is, atoms, molecules, and air, before a reaction can take place. The fraction that results in production of products are referred to as effective collision. So that is just the explanation of collision theory. Now, answer to question number 2A, Roman Figure 2. We have to use collision theory of reaction to explain briefly how temperature can affect the rate of chemical reaction. Now answer. It is experimentally proven that every 10-degree rise in temperature, reaction rate gets doubles. Increase in temperature will lead to effective collision between reactant particles due to more energies gained as a result of increase in temperature. So effective collision will result in much more production of products as the temperature has been raised. So this is just the explanation of how the collision theory explains the temperature rise as it is effect in production of products in chemical reaction. Now let's see the answers to question Roman Figure 1, 2A, 2A, Roman Figure 1. Collision theory assumes that there must be a collision between reactant particles before a product formed. Then the fraction that results in production of products are referred to as effective collision. So they are referred to as effective collision. Now to question 2A, Roman Figure 2, we have to use collision theory to explain how temperature affects the rate of chemical reaction. So it is experimentally proving that for every 10-degree rise in temperature, the reaction gets double. So increase in temperature will cause frequency, that is much more collision between reactant particles. As a result of energy gain, or as a result of increase in temperature. So increase in temperature will lead to much more effective collision of reactant particles, and it makes the reaction to proceed into production at faster rate. So this is just as the answer to question 2A Roman figure 1 and 2A Roman figure 2. If you like this piece, click like and subscribe. God bless you. Thank you.